In the Madhya Pradesh Assembly, there was a strong argument between the ruling party and the opposition over death caused by contaminated water in Indore. Urban Administration Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya said the government acted quickly after the incident. He informed the House that treatment for victims started immediately, water testing was done, and work on a new pipeline began. Action was also taken against responsible officials. He said Bhagirathpura is a 90-year-old settlement where many uneducated people live, making it difficult for municipal workers to function properly. The opposition demanded a separate discussion through an adjournment motion, but Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar rejected it, saying assembly rules do not allow discussion on a topic already debated. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi will visit Bhopal on February 24th. According to party sources, a major farmers' conference will be organized during their visit. The Congress party has announced that it will launch a nationwide protest from Madhya Pradesh against the recent trade deal signed with the United States. Party leaders say the deal may harm Indian farmers and small traders. The event in Bhopal is expected to see participation from farmers across the state. Senior party leaders and workers are preparing for the large gathering, which is being seen as an important political move ahead of upcoming elections. Congress MLA Hemant Katare from Atir has resigned from the post of Deputy Leader of Opposition in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly. In his resignation letter, he said he was unable to give enough time to his family and the people of his constituency due to his responsibilities. He sent his resignation to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and said the party can give the responsibility to anyone it finds suitable. He assured full support to the organization. Interestingly, he submitted his resignation on his marriage anniversary. He was present in the assembly proceedings till around 4 p.m. and later left for Atir. A major controversy has started in Ujjain South Assembly constituency after more than 33,000 names were deleted from the voter list during the special intensive revision process. Former District Panchayat Vice President Bharat Porwal had earlier raised objections. Now former Chief Minister and Rajya Sabha MP Digvijay Singh has also intervened. He has written a letter to the Chief Electoral Officer of Madhya Pradesh demanding a detailed investigation and proper action. According to reports, 33,256 voters were removed from the electoral rolls. The issue has raised serious political concerns, with questions being asked about transparency and fairness in the voter list revision process. In Bhind district's Konhar village, members of Brahmin and Kshatriya communities along with other groups held a meeting at a Hanuman temple and announced a social boycott of the Jatav community. The decision was taken after a recent FIR was registered under the SC/ST Act and alleged objectionable remarks were made. During the meeting, people took an oath to end social relation with the Jatav community. The situation has created tension in the village. Local administration is closely monitoring the situation to prevent any law and order problem. Officials have appealed to villagers to maintain peace and social harmony in the area. A dispute over Aarti and Azan near Jabalpur turned violent and led to serious clashes between two groups. Reports say some people were dragged out of a temple and beaten. Both sides allegedly threw stones at each other, creating panic in the area. Police acted quickly and arrested 49 people in connection with the violence. Heavy police force from several police stations have been deployed to control the situation. The area witnessed tense conditions similar to curfew. Authorities have appealed to citizens to maintain peace and not spread rumors on social media. In the Mo district, a team of electricity department officials was attacked while removing illegal power connections. During checking, some local residents allegedly assaulted the staff and also threw stones at them. The team somehow managed to escape and reach the police station safely. Police have registered a case against 7 people in connection with the incident. A video of the attack has also surfaced. The electricity department has demanded better security for its employees during such operations. Officials say strict action will be taken against those involved in the violence. A new twist has emerged in the 26.5-ton suspected beef case in Bhopal. A man has written a letter in pled to the Prime Minister demanding a CBI investigation into the matter. Earlier, he had also performed head shaving and symbolic rituals as a protest. The issue has now taken a political turn, with different parties making statements. The administration is investigating the case and waiting for laboratory sample reports to confirm the nature of the meat. The matter has created strong reactions in the city, and authorities are maintaining tight security. A special intensive revision process of voter list in Madhya Pradesh will be completed on February 21st. After this, the final voter list will be officially published. Meeting of standing committees will also be held in every district before the final publication. Once the list is released, the total number of voters in the state will become clear. Election officials say the revision process was carried out to ensure accuracy and remove duplicate or incorrect entries. Political parties are closely watching the developments as the updated voter list will play an important role in the upcoming elections. For the last 3 days, strong winds and rain have affected many parts of the state. In some areas, hailstorms were also reported. More than 15 districts including Bhopal, Ratlam, Mandsaur, Shajapur, Dhar, Indore, Raisen, Ujjain, Sagar and Chhatarpur recorded rainfall in the past 24 hours. Due to strong winds, wheat crop have fallen in Ratlam, Shajapur and Ujjain. This may reduce grain quality and increase farmers' problems. Around 25 districts may have crop damage. The state government has started a survey. Revenue officials are checking affected fields. Light rains continue in Bhopal. Night temperatures have increased, staying above 12 to 14 degrees Celsius in many cities.